$34 on the first passenger. Let's talk about it in this video. Are you guys ready? I am at LAX, and if you watched my last video, you know exactly how I got this passenger. Even the title of my last video explains it. Something like hug the mountain or go towards the mountain or something like that. My friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is the third video of the series for today. It is January 4th, 2024. It is a Thursday. The time is 9:19 in the morning. I've roughly driven 67 miles and made $34, right? The 64 miles, you can take around 25 out, because that's what it takes to go out of the Goonies and Acton to pick up the first passenger. Right now, I'm literally watching an airplane come down and going to LAX because I gotta go pee-pee, not poop, because I did that this morning. If you watched the last video, I ate Wendy's, my stomach was hurting a little bit. So now I'm here, I'm looking at the TNC lot. It is empty. Good, this is good. Now I'm looking over here and noticing if anyone's parked on the right-hand side. Yep, there's cars here. Is there parking in the LAX lot? If there's parking, that means it's good news, okay? The first thing we're gonna do right now, I'm driving, so I have to be a little bit careful. Let me pause and park, and then I'll tell you what the next thing is. Okay, I went to the bathroom, and I gave my friend out here, the homeless guy, $10 cash. Let me show you. Okay, this guy is here every single day. Now, don't get me wrong, I don't give him $10 every single day, but I see him once a week. The timing is off. When I do, and I have money that passengers gave me as cash, I give it to him. Sometimes $10, sometimes $20, sometimes $5. Sometimes I'll just give him a Monster. If I have a Monster sitting in my car, I'll give it to him. And the point is this, guys, have an open heart. Help others that are below you, and then hopefully somebody that's above us will help us. Okay, now let's look at the list down here. What's going on with the LAX? Okay, Comfort 96, Uber X 151. Uber XL is showing that it's full, no problem. Time is 9:25. I will give Uber, I don't know, let's say 30 minutes, because I got to work on my channel, make some thumbnails, upload some videos, relax for a little bit. Last passenger was an hour long, right? If the queue's moving, I'll stay here. If the queue is stuck and Uber puts me in a prison, by 10 o'clock, I'm out of here. Because I can find somebody else that needs a ride and bring him back and hopefully get rematched. Technically, I should have gotten rematched when I came here. But, maybe it's slow. Maybe there's not enough people coming in right now. But let's see what happens. I'll keep you guys posted. Now, while I'm waiting for Uber, the first thing I'm going to do is back up my footage from today that I've already recorded. I just click on pictures on my phone. I click right here. I click on today. I'm going to grab everything. I'm going to say, yo, move this. And we're going to move it to a folder that is, let's go over here. Let's paste this. This is from the last client. These are my notes, right? I'm going to go here and just click right here, grab this, and that basically becomes my folder name. We're going to go down here, and boom. And remember, the goal over here is to organize everything by the date. 2024 is the year, 01 is the month, and 04 is the day, because it's January 4th today, right? And just in case I didn't back up from yesterday, I'll grab these from yesterday up until the hearts, and I'll say move to album, and I'll go all the way down, and I'll literally move it to right here, which is the last passenger. And then I say skip, because I don't need to override anything. Stuff that's already there is totally fine. And now, check it out. If you go all the way at the bottom, let me show you. Right here is the passenger from today, and I have 19 files ready to go. Now, let's check what Uber is doing for us, right? So when I got here, I took a screenshot right when I got here. I think I was actually making a video. Let's take a look at it. This is the screenshot I took when I got to the airport, right? 181 is what it's showing that Uber X is at, and 106 is what the passenger is at, right? And this is at 9:20 in the morning. Now let's check. We're gonna go over to the actual app. live. Oh, there you go. See, look. And I can even show you this side by side so you can kind of see it. Look, let's put it here. On the left, you can see. I'll zoom in a little bit for you guys. There you go. Look, when I got here at 9:27 minutes ago, 106 passengers, right? On the right, you can see 131.86. The queue's moving. That means we're not in prison. We might get rematched. And if we don't get rematched, it's okay. We will sit here, we will keep working, and we'll patiently wait. Patiently wait, right? Because the queue's moving. If the queue's not moving, then what I do is what some of you on YouTube have taught me is this. The backup plan is if the queue's not moving, then you guys told me, go to Manhattan Beach, go to Hermosa Beach, go to Torrance, and bring somebody else and come right back to the airport so you have a second opportunity to get rematched, because around 11 o'clock in the morning, there's more flights coming in. All right, that's the first thing that popped up. You know, we never take the first offer, right? It's gonna lowball you. Unless you wanna come right back to the airport. That's gonna take 30 minutes to go 15 miles. Probably 30 minutes to come back, to be back at the airport. So I'm gonna pass on this. Let me know in the comments below. Would you take this? The time right now is 9:40 in the morning. This is the first thing that Uber popped up. And I'll tell you what I'm gonna do. You already know what I'm gonna do, right? No, thank you. There you go. Now check it out. What's going on? It moved fast. It's 9:41. It's not even 10 o'clock. My turn's coming up. And guess what? I gotta finish what I'm working on in the background. So let's go over there, because I'm almost done right here. I'm literally working on my Thursday's screenshots. Oh, look at that. It came fast. All right, now I want you to accept this. 16 minutes, $12, and I come right back. That's not bad. That's actually not bad. But you know what? We're going to see if something more fruitful comes up. Because if I take that for $12, I can come right back to the airport. Here you go. This is going to downtown LA. It's taking the freeway. And again, 20 bucks. Not bad. Not bad at all. But we want to see if something better comes up, right? Okay, now I have 1 or 2 chances before it puts me at the end of the queue. But I don't mind. See, look, Uber X moved fast. Uber XL moved fast. Now it wants me to match for 17. I'm going to pass. And not only am I going to pass... Oh, there you go. There you go. Okay, we'll take this one. We'll take this one. We'll take this one. And I'll tell you why I took that one. I took that one because there's a chance there's less drivers in Malibu, and I might be able to bring somebody back from Malibu this way. And I know there's less drivers in Malibu. Yes, it's gonna take 40 minutes, but who doesn't want to be in Malibu Beach? Guys, come on. Don't you want to end up in Malibu Beach? Don't you want to end up in Malibu Beach? It's beautiful. It's gonna take 40 minutes, $22 possible tip, because people in Malibu have money. Christ. Here we go, fellas. I'm gonna upload this, and you already know in the background, right? I was just finishing up my thumbnails. Let me export these thumbnails, upload them, and this is how we do it, my friends. Like, comment, and subscribe. Multitasking.